So it's Magpie activity 3 or day 3. My first video on Magpie, hopefully you saw that, about trim and to lowercase that does not work the way arrays.sort works. So if that's confusing to you, go back to the first video. Trim and to lowercase don't actually mutate the string. They don't change the string. In fact, instead they return a different copy of that string, which is changed. So it's not the same string. Make sure you play with that if you don't understand what I'm talking about. That was in the first video. Okay. The next part here, we take this findKeyword method from Magpie 3 and put it into Magpie 2. Okay. It's a more intelligent way of looking for a substring than just using index of. So here's Magpie 3. Now there are two findKeywords methods. The one you want is the long one. So this one right here starts on my line 71, private int findKeyword. Private methods are also called helper methods because they're not going to be called by clients or testers or runners. They're called within the class. So I'm taking all that from Magpie 3 and putting it into Magpie 2. I'll put it in after the last method, get random response, before the class ends. And then we have to make the code call this method. findKeyword needs the string you're looking through, which is called the statement in day 2. What you're looking for is the goal, and you start at a start position 0, no doubt. Okay, so I've already done that. Recall back on day 2 in class on Friday, this said statement.indexOf, right? But now I'm calling the findKeyword method. I give it the name of the string we're looking in, which is statement, the name of the string we're looking for, which is NO, and then where to start at 0. Same thing with mother, father, sister, and brother. And then in activity 2, we added cat, dog, and you have Mr. Manson, but the directions said change it to Mr. Reisky. Okay, and so let's make sure everything compiles. Good. Compile and run Magpie runner. Okay, now originally if you said I am on vacation, it would ask you about your pets because CAT is in the middle of vacation. But now we have a more intelligent way of looking for cat, not using index of, but using findKeyword. And it won't talk about your pets, will it? However, if I put the word cat with a capital C, it would not have found that in day 2. So here is the cat fix. Okay, it would not have found the cat on day 2, but now it does find cat and know to ask you about pets. And of course, the original cat is still found as well, like the CAT. Okay. What else was fixed? Just all mother and father. Like now, mother is recognized. It wouldn't have been back on day 2 because of the capital M. And I guess Mr. Reisky is kind of hard to mess that up. It's always found. And so anyway, we've just got a more intelligent way of looking for things now, thanks to findKeyword. I to close it. There we go.